Hey guys, finally rolled in. A little bit tired over here. Took a little bit extra time to get in because they do have a lot more security this year, which is a good thing. Also, can't really complain about that. Finally got to meet Chris in person. Well, car to car, I should say. Kind of a car enthusiast type of thing, right? Met Brandon also. Hopefully we'll see them inside, get some extra footage before we head back out. We'll be back Friday, pick up the car and drive it back all the way to California, so that should be an interesting drive. And hopefully we get to see some of the AMS guys as well. Alright guys, got the wheels and tires in yesterday. Got the tires from Toyo, got the wheels from FERRADA, got some extra parts from AMS. We're going to take the tires and the wheels and drop it off at the American Tire Depot here. Special thank you to GLENDALE Infiniti for allowing me to use their truck, take all the parts in. So, see you guys in a couple minutes. So I dropped off the car, dropped off the tires, dropped off the wheels. Going to take the Q60 right now over to American Tire Depot, have them install the wheels and tires, switch over the tire pressure monitoring system and all that good stuff. Car should look different in a couple of hours. Next week it's going to look totally different. Got the new hood, new trunk, and a couple other goodies I can't tell you guys yet. Gonna head over to American Tire Depot, drop off the car, cold start, gotta let it warm up a little bit. But I'm really excited for the change. Thank you again to FERRADA Wheels, Toyo Tires, and AMS for getting the car to look the way it is. Special thank you to Strictly Business Motorsports for coming through with the hood and coming through with the trunk. And we've got other carbon fiber goodies that are gonna go on the car that I specifically handmade. So let's see how the car turns out for the Sema show. Alright guys, back at GOTCH Design, dropping the car off, got the hood, the trunk, and the diffuser here. Hopefully we'll have the car back Thursday or Friday. Special thank you Strictly Business Motorsports for the hood and the trunk. The diffuser is one off again for the quad exhaust. On the 22nd we'll drop the car off over at Art Performance to get the last touch up on the vehicle before it goes out to Sema. That'll be on the 22nd again, and on the 27th we'll be in Vegas. If anybody wants to come and say hi to us over at Sema, you're more than welcome to. Car will be parked in front of Central Hall, lined up next to some of the FERRADA cars, and hoping to meet some of you. Thank you. Hey guys, got the last day of getting the car ready. Got the guys from Royal over here behind me shooting the car for FERRADA Wheels. Tomorrow morning around 10 a.m. we'll have the car on the truck and hopefully at Vegas by 4 p.m. Looking forward to seeing everybody. Hey guys, as you can see, I got the car on the trailer. We're about to head out in the next 20 minutes or so. Hoping to be there by 6. Again, the car will be parked at Palazzo if anybody wants to come check it out Sunday morning or Saturday night. Yeah, see everybody there. Alright guys, we're on the road. Got the wife driving for the first maybe hour. I don't know if I'd like the idea of that, but hey, beats driving, right? Alright guys, made it to Vegas. We're here at the Palazzo. Just talked to the driver. He's about 2 hours away with the car. Hopefully he'll be here about 7:30. It's 5:02 right now. Hey guys, got some time to kill before the truck gets here. Me and the wifey decided to get out, walk around a little bit, see what's going on around the strip. Hopefully in about 20-30 minutes, the car should be here. As you can see, the car is right behind me. Got it parked and tucked away until tomorrow, 8 a.m. We'll roll out to get into Sema. Gonna call it a night. Tired. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, super early. It's 8:15. Going down to get the car right now. Rollins at 9 o'clock. Hopefully we'll see some of the guys there and get some nice footage for you guys to check out. I'm super tired. We got back to the room around 2. Let's see how this goes. I do need coffee right now or else I'm gonna pass out. Like I said, we got back to the room really late last night and got something to eat and got carried away with time, but gonna get some coffee from Starbucks downstairs and then head over to the car in the garage, grab it, and get to where we need to get to. Alright guys, we're in the car. We're gonna head out over to Sema right now. Just letting it warm up for a little bit. We'll be there in a couple of minutes, get the car staged, and then back out we go. Alright guys, got the car staged. She looks good. Got her wiped down a little bit. Waiting for some of the guys to show up, get to say hi to them, and then take off. Thank you to FERRADA Wheels for everything. Thank you to everybody else that's helped me to get the car to where it is today. And we'll see you soon. Alright guys, car staged. Going to leave Sema right now. Head back to the hotel. Pack up. Get back home. And we'll fly back out on Friday. Pick the car up. Shouldn't be too much of a hassle. Got a flight at 7 a.m. so it's not that bad. We'll be here by 8:30, 9 o'clock hopefully. And around 4 o'clock is rollout. Maybe we'll have some time to stick around for Sema Ignited. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the cars. just flew back into Vegas. It's November 2nd, about 3:45 is rollout. So hopefully we'll hit the road by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and get back home at least by midnight, hopefully. I don't know really what to expect. We might stay a little bit for Sema Ignite, but not too sure yet about that. Alright guys, we're done here at Sema. It's rollout time. And wife is just next to me, beautiful as always. Say hi. Yeah, I need to get the hell out of here and get home already. Tired.